Hi everyone, I'm Andrea with Duluth Pack, and I'm part of the marketing team here. And today we're coming to you live from the Duluth Pack flagship store in Duluth, Minnesota. And today we are talking about the multi-uses of our bags and all the different chapters of your life. So whether that's while you're in school, to early career, to becoming a parent or a main caretaker, to eventually using the bags on adventures and later on past being a caregiver. So a couple of the bags I wanted to focus on as a mom of a young toddler and as another one on the way that I love and I personally use are the Highlander Tote, the Convertible Jet Setter Tote, and then the mini belt bag from Duluth Pack. As you can see, all three have very different styles and they all have different sizes, but they're all really crucial in my everyday life of being a parent and what I pack, whether I'm going to the store or whether I'm going on a trip. These all have wonderful functional uses and are great for organization. So the three main things when I'm looking for specifically, as we're going to call it a diaper bag or an everyday carry bag with a child, are functionality, organization, and then aesthetics and style. So I'm going to focus on the features and the benefits of each of these products and what I primarily use them for, and then how I pack all these with a small child. What I do want to focus on though, what's great about Duluth Pack that's very different than I would say the typical diaper bag market is that our bags are meant to last. So you buy it once, you have it for life. All of our products come with a lifetime guarantee on all craftsmanship and hardware. So that includes our grommets, our zippers, our sewing seams, you name it, we will fix that under the craftsmanship and hardware. And most of our repairs are second and or third generation. So mostly the diaper bag industry outside of Duluth Pack, you buy it, you maybe use it for a couple years and then you throw it away. And that's not sustainable. And what I find really cool is the bags that I am using today for my children as an everyday carry, I can then pass along for them to use in their lifetime. This is one of our most multi-use bags that we have in our entire line. So this is the Convertible Jet Setter Tote, and you can actually wear it up to 5 different ways. So a couple of them obviously showcasing you can use it as a tote bag where you can put it over your shoulder. You can also use it as a crossbody bag when you do the strapping, and then a really popular way, and I love wearing it this way, is as a backpack. So whatever you're needing to use it as, it can be that for you. A couple things I want to talk about on the exterior of the Convertible Jet Setter Tote Bag that I absolutely love as a parent and as a mom. First off, again, I love the leather detailing. I think it's absolutely beautiful, but again, it is very easy to clean because we have those cleaning care products from Duluth Pack. So if you set it down and little mud gets on it, if you get a little silt from the winter season, it's super easy to clean off, whether it's a wet wipe or our cleaning care products. And then here I'm showing it in our natural canvas color. And so again, the canvas material, it's super rugged. It's that 15-ounce cotton duck canvas. And then you're able to clean it with the Duluth Pack cleaning care products. So again, really multi-use, and what's great about the Duluth Pack products is that you buy it once, you have it for life. And what's unique about Duluth Pack products versus other competitors or other diaper bag companies out there is that typically diaper bags are purchased to be used for a couple of years and then thrown away, which one is not sustainable, but two really goes against what Duluth Pack is, that when you buy it, you have it for life, and it's actually going to look a lot better the more that you use it. So as it patinas, it looks so much more beautiful. But a couple things, so we talked about the leather, we talked about the canvas. What I love too about those straps, again, the multi-use, but what's really nice is they're very comfortable. And with the leather strapping, it's very much like buying a new pair of boots. You're going to have to break them in, but once they fit your body and they're molded to you, it just feels like butter. So want to let you know that. Another aspect that I'm a huge fan of with this bag is the zipper top. So if you're a parent, if you are a caretaker, you definitely know it's important to have a zip top if possible, because if you are throwing your bag in the car, if you're throwing it in a cart, if you're going to be traveling or going on a plane, let's say, it's really nice to know that your essentials for your kiddo are going to be safe, they're going to be organized, and it's going to stay functional. And also, again, on the organization aspect, I absolutely love the 2 front pockets here. Again, wonderful for anything that you need to grab on the go or quickly. So whether that's a kid's toy, whether it's a bottle, snacks, or your keys, you can throw them right in there. And then also, it gets even better with the back because there is one very large opening here for a pocket. So this is where I like to throw my kid's bib if I want to have some type of thing where if we're going out to a restaurant, for seating and for cleanliness with hygiene, I like to have that accessible too. So those are a couple aspects that I absolutely love about the convertible jet setter tote at Duluth Pack. And before I jump into showing you how I'm going to pack this specifically as a diaper bag or carry-all for being a caretaker, I do want to talk about, again, the zipper closure, which is really crucial for me with a diaper bag because when I pack everything, I want to make sure that it's staying organized and not going all over the place. Another great thing about the convertible jet setter tote is that it has the multiple pockets for organization on the inside. So I will show you how I personally pack this bag as a mom, and hopefully that helps everyone see how it has multi-space and that multi-functionality with the multi-use and wear. Of course, we have the diapers here, so I'm going to pack these in one of the main internal compartments. And then with that, I'm also going to have the wet wipes. Again, you can use these for cleaning up hands, cleaning face, but then of course other uses, and you want that readily available. I do of course have the little spatula for putting on any type of baby paste and to eliminate diaper rash. And then I also have that Vaseline cream there. So as you can see, that snugly organizes my diapers and my wet wipes and everything I need for kind of a diaper changing station readily available with still tons of space. I do have my disposable placemats that I carry with me at all times. So if I'm going to a restaurant, I have those, and I'm going to put those in the main compartment here. I also have my son's spatula toy, so I'm going to have that available on the inside there. I always carry a book with, which is nice to have. We have The Goodnight Loon. My son is obsessed with this book. It's a nice take on a classic. Depending on the season, I love to have my son wear some type of sunscreen at all times, so I'm going to put that on the internal pocket. And then I do have, if I want, also a travel cup. So I just want to showcase that the travel cup is really nicely fit here, and you can also put some type of sunscreen. So many different ways you can hold it. I also like to keep for myself on hand some type of gum, and I'm going to put that in the internal pocket. And then I'm also going to use the external pockets here. So I'm going to have snacks readily available, so that way I don't have to unzip. And then I'm also going to have my hand sanitizer available too. I'm going to add my claw clip that I like to always have on straps, or you can put here on the external pocket wherever you so desire. And then I'm also going to show how I pack an additional sweatshirt or top or jacket for my son that you can snugly fit here in the convertible jet setter tote. So what's great about that zipper, it's all locked in. Again, with Duluth Pack, all of our bags come with a lifetime guarantee and all craftsmanship and hardware. So that's literally our rivets, our zips, our snaps, any of our zippers, and our sewing seams here. If you have issues with that, literally it's guaranteed for life. Most of our repairs are second and or third generation. So this is how I pack the convertible jet setter tote as a mom of a young toddler and another on the way. Also, something I did want to mention on the internal aspect of the convertible jet setter tote at Duluth Pack is the internal material is actually not canvas. It is the anorak material from Duluth Pack. So it's very easy to clean. You can wipe it away, but you can still also use our cleaning care products. So in case if something spills, that's how you can take care of the inside, but it is very easy to clean up quick spills.